Shalom, everyone. It is great to hear from some of you. I wish I would get some more feedback. People who have been calling me and emailing me tell me that they are really seeing, that they're able to read. People are telling me for the first time they come to the synagogue, they can decipher the letters, follow the service pretty well, and I think that's terrific. I actually do want to get us together in person, all of us who are studying, at some point in the next few weeks, but that'll be announced. So let's look at page 35, just a quick review. And as we do so, what I want to call to your attention is that it's the next letter, obviously in the Hebrew alphabet, the Aleph Bet, Samech, all right, and has the S sound, so that it goes like sa, and line 1 would be sa, se, say, si, so, su. By now you're familiar with the fact that vowelization can look different but be pronounced the same. So then you have in line 2 just the sounds of the letters. Sa, ma. See, it's a final mem. It's different than the samech. Then it's ta, sa. Again, it's the sin, which is pronounced exactly like the samech. And then you have ma, sa. So line 3, say, tear. Then sa, tar. And then so, tear. And then si, door. And then say, dare, seder. And then sal. And then salim. And then line 4, sus, susim, sod, sodot, si, su, right? It's the sin, and it's pronounced sa, si, su. Then next word, mas, the mem, and then the samech, mas. And then mi, sim. And then sav. So, line 6, li, sidur. Means I have a sidur. Li, sidur, gadol. I have a big sidur. Line 7, gam, le'aba, sidur, gadol. Again, gam, le'aba, sidur, gadol. Line 8, gam, le'ima. Mother has to have a big sidur too. Gam, le'ima, sidur, gadol. Line 9. First word, try it. La, sav, sidur. Grandfather has a sidur. Gam, lesava, sidur. Gam, lesava, sidur. Also, grandma has a sidur. So, let's go on to page 36. New letter. It's called the Zion. Zion. Z sound. Z sound. So you're going to learn to be able to pronounce the word mezuzah. Mezuzah. Now that we learn the Zion. So let's look at line 1. Za, za, ze, ze, zay, z, zo, then zot. Zot means this. Zot HaTorah, this is the Torah. Asher Sa Moshe, this is the Torah that Moses placed before the people. Zu is the last word, Zu, having nothing to do with Zu. Line 2. Zayit, Zayit means an olive, Zayit. Zaz, Vav, Vav. Notice that that third word is a Vav and it's not the Zayin. Look at the difference between the Vav and the Zayin. You've got to get that down. The Vav doesn't have that curly top to the letter that the Zayin has. Otherwise, they look reasonably similar. Then, next word, O. O. You have the silent ayin and the O sound, not a zayin, so it's O. Then zer, zer. Then zera, zera. Then the next word, Ezra, Ezra. That's a name, Ezra. He was one of the great leaders of the Israelites who, after the destruction of the temple, was in Jerusalem as the Jewish community came back from exile and helped to reconstitute the Jewish people. Oh, in the mid-400s BCE, in the 430s BCE. Ezra and Nehemiah, they were the great leaders who brought the people back together as a nation. And then Mazon, which means food. Then Zariz, Zariz. You hear that Z sound at the end? Zariz. Then Vezeh, Vezeh. Okay, you see the Vav and the Zayin right next to each other. Vezeh. Then line 3. Mezuzah. Right? Mezuzah. Mezuzah. Ve'azi. Ve'azi. Then Izuz. Oh, you got a whole bunch of letters there. You have the Zayin with the Vav and the Zayin. So look at it carefully. E, silent ayin. E, Zuz. E, Zuz as one syllable. Then Zan. Zan. Then Azan. Azan. Then you have Zuz. Zuz. Then you have Zayin. Zayin. Okay, line 4, Mezuzah. And so if you look further, let's do a few of these lines. Line 5, Hamoreh Sha'al. Sha'al. You know these words already. Mi zeh. The teacher asks, who is this? Yossi Ana. Yossi says, answers, Zeh Moreh. This is the teacher. Zeh Moreh. Hamoreh Sha'al. I'm on line 7. Mi Zot. The teacher asks, who is this? And Yossi Oneh. Yossi answered, Zot Morah. Zot Morah. This is the teacher. And line 9, Hamoreh, Hamoreh Sha'al, Mazeh, Mazeh. What is this? And line 10, Yossi Ana, Yossi answered, Zeh Sidur. This is a Sidur. And then line 11, Hamoreh, Hamoreh Sha'al, the teacher asked, Ma Zot. What is this? And Yossi, I guess he's the only kid in the class because he's the only one who answers. Zot Torah. This is the Torah. Line 13, Hamoreh Sha'al, Ma Zot. And Yossi, of course, Yossi has to hog every question. Zot Mezuzah. This is a mezuzah. So, we'll stop for now. We're going to come back and we're going to be moving forward as we continue to go through our Aleph Bet. And I'll see you very soon with another lesson. Shalom.